You're getting married?
What? No! Our band has been asked to play a concert on the other side of the island!
Yeah! Woo-hoo!
Just one question. We're in a band?
Duditude, remember? We saved the women of the village from becoming mind-controlled zombies? We ended Justin Bieber's musical career? There were crackers in the green room.
Oh, yeah!
Right!
But how are we gonna get our gear to the concert?
The Dudemobile!
Road trip!
With the guys out of town for their Duditude concert, we can finally have some quality girl time. See a movie, go to the club,
Sharpen our bayonets, oil our bayonets, polish our bayonets.
Sticks, we don't have bayonets.
Oh yeah, buy bayonets.
Why do we need bayonets?
Our team's gonna be weakened by 3, and Eggman's still out there. We have to be prepared.
Have fun on your trip, guys. Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
I thought you said to have fun.
So, who's got first guard duty shift?
We don't need guard duty, Sticks. What we need is a plan to keep Eggman at bay.
Since we'll be in this car for the next 15 hours, let's make some productive use of our time.
Duditude's back, y'all! We ain't whack, y'all! We want you to hear us way up at the back wall. Stretch out your hands and raise your feet, cause Duditude's dropping his fat feet.
We bring the rhythm, the funk.
Got a drum set in the trunk.
A team of furry critters with swag, panache, spunk.
A guts full of chili dogs.
The band's in overdrive.
You haven't seen a real band till you've seen us live. We are gonna own this concert. Nothing can stop us now.
I need to stop now.
Lucky for us, I just happen to own this homemade Sonic doll, which I keep around for totally legitimate, definitely non-creepy reasons.
What? Oh, if it isn't Sonic. What's with the smug grin? You got beef, Hedgehog? Then why don't you bring it to my grill? Yeah, that's what I thought. You don't want none of this, nuh-uh. Yeah, give me the cold shoulder, huh? You just started a war, you blue pincushion!
That should keep him occupied for a while. So, how do you want to kick off our girls' weekend?
According to this pamphlet, our route passes right by the famous water tower shaped like a ketchup bottle.
Famous? I never heard of it.
It was prominently featured in a deleted scene from Mutant Commando 3.
Fine, we can make one stop.
Mud clump hurling.
Couldn't we do something a little less, how do I put this gently, repugnant, uncouth, and boorish?
At least give it a try.
Ugh. Sorry, Sticks, but dirt throwing isn't my cup of tea. Thankfully, I know something that is my cup of tea. A cup of tea!
Why did you just say that?
Remember before I said I know something that is my cup of tea? I was just finishing the thought.
But you said that like an hour ago.
Yeah, but imagine if you were an outside observer just watching pieces of the conversation.
You see them too?
Let's just get back to knitting. Definitely seeing some improvement. But remember, you always want to knit the first row, then change to a ribbing pattern.
Sorry, but this nursing home activity stuff just ain't my bag.
I think I have an idea that'll satisfy both of us.
Welcome, folks, to the home of the world's largest non-rocking chair.
How you doing over there, Sticks?
So let me get this straight. If I roll around in mud in the jungle, I'm a savage. But if I pay $40 to soak in it here, I'm civilized.
Exactly.
Works for me.
Oh, can I sit in it?
Oh, heavens no. This chair's for eye sitting only.
Amy, please tell me you're having as miserable a time as I am.
Actually, Sticks and I are having a relaxing spa weekend. But come on, I'm sure your trip isn't that bad.
Now over here is the official letter from the Book of Records asking me to stop contacting them.
I stand corrected. Well, have fun on your vacation. Take lots of pictures.
No pictures.
Sonic is out of town?
Look what I just bought at the gift shop! A scaled-down replica of the world's largest non-rocking chair!
I said,
Hey, Sonic! It's me, your good friend with the two tails. Oh, what's his name? Check out these fly dance moves!
he had 2 hours to think of a distraction, and that's what he came up with? Okay, Orbot, your turn.
Sonic, it is I, Tails. Watch me ham bone.
Oh, for the love of...
I can't take it anymore. Tails, give me the wheel.
Hey! Look out!
We are going straight through to that concert. No more breaks, no more tourist traps, no more stops. What's the haps, officer?
You boys look to be a long ways from home.
We are! Our band's got a gig on the other side of the island.
Yeah, we're Dudetude. Maybe you've heard of us?
I don't listen to the rock and roll. And we don't take kindly to troublemakers round these parts. Especially not some blue-headed delinquent.
You tell him, officer!
Troublemaker? Delinquent? But I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. I'm the quintessential hero type.
I'll be keeping my eye on you three.
Not another speeding ticket. I'll fight it in court, but I don't think they're gonna accept gotta go fast as a medical condition. Knuckles, you take the wheel for a bit.
Charlie, I just overheard that Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles are out of town. The village is ours for the taking.
As much as I'd love to unleash a reign of terror upon the village that will be remembered for 1,000 generations, I really need to get back to my excavation.
My mother was right about you. You don't have the fortitude to stand up to anybody.
We'll see if she gets a holiday card this year.
She will.
Yes, dear.
Which way do I go? Come on, universe, give me a sign. Message received.
Time for the final showdown! Charge! This is the greatest day of my life! Oh, wait, I prepared something for this. When Sonic and I first locked eyes so many years ago, it was hate at first sight. And now, I stand here, my head full of hair. Whoa, how long ago did I write this?
Boss?
That's not Sonic! It's all been a brilliant, elaborate ruse!
Brilliant might be a little generous, don't you think?
That sneaky trickster is gonna pay for his labyrinthine web of lies.
Whoa, where are we? Knuckles? What is this, fine gentleman doing in our van?
You guys were asleep and I needed company. Thankfully, this drifter looked like he needed company too.
So, Guy, what are you doing out in these parts?
Biding my time. We interrupt our regularly scheduled broadcast of silence for this important announcement. A maniac, the notorious bike chain bandit, is on the loose. Motorists should be on the lookout for a large, snaggle-toothed opossum wearing a trench coat and carrying a duffel full of bicycle chains.
Guys, can we have a team meeting? It's not about you. It's about a totally different sociopath in the backseat of a completely different van.
That's a relief. I thought for sure this guy was the maniac.
Sonic, you were wrong! He is the maniac! Get him off me!
Knuckles, move over! I'm driving! What? Are you pulling over?
Safety first, Sonic!
Come on out, you conniving charlatan!
Aw, come on. I just got my fur done.
Looks like your little decoy plan may have backfired.
Your decoy plan?
Sticks and I set up the fake Sonic to distract you while the guys are out of town. We wanted a weekend to ourselves. I'm sure you understand.
I understand. I understand how pulverized you're gonna be! Robots, attack!
How about we try some press-on nails? You'll find they really draw attention away from your, everything else.
Toss me one of those fur extensions!
Is this one of those all-in-one shampoo conditioners? That's gonna dry out my stash!
Oh, thank goodness. Officer, back there! The bike chain bandit!
I knew you punks were up to no good.
No, you don't understand! I'm Sonic the Hedgehog!
Sonic the Hedgehog. You're under arrest.
Back for more, egghead!
It is I, Belinda. I've stood on the sidelines too long, watching that pudding-head Eggman and my inept husband fail time and time again. Now Mama B wants a piece of the action. And don't think I forgot about you. Must you always be so snarky?
I should be more like you. A maniac in a mech suit firing lasers at everyone.
What's the big idea? He didn't do nothing.
Actually, he didn't do anything.
I know I can't be the only one who's sick of him. And you. I just don't like the look of you.
You get one phone call. Make it a good one.
Amy, no time to explain. Tails, Knuckles, and I are in jail. We need you to bail us out.
Sonic, I am really not in the mood for your practical jokes right now! Sticks and I got our hands full! We'll talk later.
Looks like you boys just won an overnight stay at the Gray Bar Hotel.
Oh, good. I thought we were gonna spend the night in jail.
me that I didn't pay 40 bucks for. What am I, a savage?
I got an idea, but I need to borrow a few things from your store. If you got a problem with that, give me a sign. Great, thanks.
Well, looky what we got here. If it isn't Dreamboat Express, big fan.
Nowadays we go by...
Yep, that's us, Dreamboat Express.
Can't believe they locked you guys up too. The 5-0's been pointing fingers at everybody thanks to the bike chain bandit. Soon as they heard about my fledgling chain wallet business, forget about it.
That's horrible! Chain wallets haven't been cool for 15 years.
We know what the bandit looks like. We could catch him and clear our names if we could get out of here.
If you're half as good at stopping bad guys as you are at singing innocuous, non-threatening music, then I'll help you bust out.
Great. You create a distraction. Now all we need is some kind of inconspicuous yet surprisingly powerful magnet.
I have this industrial micromagnet that I keep hidden on my person at all times.
That'll have to do.
Soup's on, inmates. I can't eat that. I demand a vegetarian meal with, what do you call those things? Vegetables. Hey, get back here, slime balls!
Gotta go fast. Gotta go too fast for you. Now we're catching up to you. Rock and roll is how we do. We're gonna do it. Don't you try to hide from your past, 'cause Sonic and crew are hard on your tail, and we're closing in fast. Here he is. Closing in fast.
He's getting away!
I got this!
Now we're catching up to you, and rock and roll is how we do. We're gonna do it. Don't you try to hide from your past, 'cause Sonic and crew are hard on your tail, and we're closing in fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go too fast for you. Now we're catching up to you, and rock and roll is how we do. We're gonna do it. You gotta go fast.
Glad you like chains, 'cause you'll be wearing them for the next 15 to 20. I was wrong about you three. You're not just some low-life hooligans. You're law-abiding hooligans, and you're free to go.
Finish the first roll, then switch to a ribbon pattern. Best girls weekend ever! Yeah!
Step on it, Tails! Maybe we can still make it in time for...
Did we miss the concert?
No, you're an entire month early.
I guess I was so excited about the concert, I didn't pay attention to the date. On the plus side, the site of the world's oldest rock is only 2 hours from here.
What did I do wrong? I was ruthless, cunning, merciless. I'm just glad I can go home and take it out on my husband.
Surprise! I know you're angry with me about not fighting those heroes for you, but I had a good reason. I was excavating. Your anniversary gift! If I know anything about women, it's that every gal loves to get a new outfit. That gives her the ability to fly and shoot deadly blasts from midair.
It's perfect.
This whole time I thought Eggman was gonna be our #1 problem, but it turned out to be Belinda.
You never know what to expect around here.
Oh. Don't mind me. Just taking this back to my lair for, research.
Looks like Hedgehog Village just got its new power couple.
Happy anniversary, honey bunny.